Welcome to the world of crypto. Today, we'll explore 6 top apps that allow you to passively earn Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's on a roll, with its value surging above $68,000 as of recording this video. It's an exciting time for Bitcoin enthusiasts, and here's the best part. You're invited. You don't need to spend a dime to participate, as there are apps that let you earn Bitcoin passively from your phone or computer. Though these apps may not make you a millionaire, they can provide a convenient way to earn free BTC in your spare time. This is a perfect starting point for beginners wanting to learn about crypto while potentially earning a few $100s without any special skills. Today, we'll explore 6 top apps that allow you to passively earn Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Whether you have an Android, iPhone, or desktop computer, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive into these options. App number 1, FreeCash. FreeCash is a global platform where users can earn free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies by completing various tasks. This app is popular because it's cost-free to join and offers diverse earning opportunities like completing surveys, gaming, browsing the web, shopping, and watching videos. It's a versatile platform that offers payouts ranging from $10 to $50 or more for certain tasks, making it one of the more lucrative options. Besides active earning methods, FreeCash also offers passive ways to earn, such as watching videos or participating in referral programs. With a low cash-out threshold of only 50 cents, you can redeem Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or Dogecoin. If crypto isn't your thing, they also offer PayPal cash and gift cards starting at $5. FreeCash's versatility makes it an excellent choice for anyone wanting to earn extra income on the side. App number 2, Pawns. Pawns offers a mix of passive and active income opportunities. One of the main ways to earn with Pawns is by sharing your internet bandwidth, allowing you to become part of a VPN network. By doing this, users report earning between $5 to $140 monthly. Pawns also has a mobile app where you can fill out surveys for extra income. With a minimum payout threshold of only $5, you can cash out through PayPal, gift cards, or, most importantly for our purposes, Bitcoin. While Pawns doesn't involve traditional mining, it provides similar benefits by converting your unused internet bandwidth into cryptocurrency. It's globally available, making it a versatile option for anyone looking to earn Bitcoin by leveraging unused resources or taking surveys. App number 3. Cointiply. Cointiply is a unique platform where users can earn Bitcoin through various activities. It's a GPT, get paid to, site with a special twist. It offers a faucet feature. This faucet lets you earn small Bitcoin portions, called Satoshis, by spinning a wheel or using a random number generator every hour. While the payouts are small, it's a fun way to get a bit of Bitcoin regularly. Besides the faucet, Cointiply offers other ways to earn, including filling out surveys, playing games, shopping online, watching videos, and clicking on ads. You can convert your Cointiply coins into Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Dash, or Litecoin with a minimum cash-out amount of just $3. If you're looking for a fun and interactive way to earn Bitcoin in your free time, Cointiply is worth exploring. App number 4, Coin App. The Coin app gamifies earning cryptocurrency by turning it into a treasure hunt on your phone. You can earn rewards not just for exploring new places in your area, but also by answering questions and sharing bits of data. You earn coins, which can later be exchanged for popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. If you're familiar with apps like Sweatcoin, Coin app has a similar concept but with a twist. It rewards users for visiting new locations and geologically mining digital coins. While it's an exciting way to earn on the go, it does require a significant number of these digital coins to convert into substantial cryptocurrency earnings. For example, getting even one Ethereum requires about 3.7 million Coin app tokens. For frequent travelers or people constantly on the move, the Coin app offers an adventurous and fun way to passively earn cryptocurrency. However, for others, the accumulation may be slower. So consider how often you can interact with the app to make the most of it. App number 5, CryptoTab Browser. CryptoTab is a browser extension that can also be used on mobile devices. This tool passively mines Bitcoin while you browse the internet. Over 35 million people have downloaded it, making it a popular choice for earning BTC. Once you install CryptoTab, it runs in the background, using your device's processing power to mine Bitcoin. CryptoTab allows you to control its mining intensity, so if you notice your computer slowing down, you can adjust its usage. You can increase the mining power while you're not using the device, like during sleep hours. You only need a minimal amount of Bitcoin, around 0.001 BTC or about $0.5, to withdraw your earnings, making it easy to start earning right away. You can even deposit your Bitcoin into a dedicated wallet called NC Wallet, where you can earn up to 6% interest per year. Keep in mind that while CryptoTab is a great way to earn free Bitcoin, the earnings per hour are small, so it's best to have realistic expectations. Lastly, app number 6, Pi Network. Rounding off our list is Pi Network, an app where you can mine a cryptocurrency called Pi. The app has gained popularity with over 50 million downloads. Pi Network works without draining your phone's battery or requiring much attention. You need an invitation code, easily found on sites like Reddit, to join Pi Network, and once you have it, you can start mining Pi tokens. Pi's value is currently around $32 per token, but it's not widely traded on major platforms yet. Some exchanges like Bitmart allow for the trading of Pi coins, or you can swap them for other cryptocurrencies on specific forums. Although Pi Network isn't fully mainstream yet, it's a popular choice for those looking to join the cryptocurrency movement. These are 6 great apps to start earning free Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies with minimal effort. Do you have any other recommendations for mining free Bitcoin? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends to help them join the crypto action. And if you're interested in even more ways to make extra money online, check out our next video. It's packed with tips that are easy to implement, even if you're just getting started.